Hello all. Today we will learn about window accessories. In this video, we will learn below things. Use various tools available in accessories. Use simple and scientific calculator in their day-to-day life. Type without keyboard by using on-screen keyboard. Zoom in and zoom out the content displayed on the screen. Access and play the PC game available. Understand the basic concept about computer virus and the use of antivirus. What is window accessories? Microsoft Windows operating system provides various useful tools or software that can be used as and when we required. In order to access these tools, go to Start, then click on All Program and then click on Accessories. Calculator. The calculator is very handy tool that will help you to do simple arithmetic calculations by using simple calculator. And in order to do certain other mathematical computations, you can use the scientific calculator that can be accessed by selecting scientific option under view menu. Types of calculator. This is simple calculator and this is scientific calculator. On screen keyboard. Sometimes it happens that your keyboard is not working. In such case, you can use on screen keyboard to enter simple text by just clicking the particular keys using the mouse. The on screen keyboard can be found under Ease of Access under Accessories section. On-screen keyboard is look like this. Magnifier. You can magnify the content of the screen by using magnifier tool that can be accessed under Ease of Access of Accessories. Magnifier option is look like this. Games. We all love to play computer game. For that, we need to either install it or directly play from CD or DVD. Microsoft in his various operating system gives us the way to play some popular PC games that are pre-installed with the operating system like chess, playing card, etc. You can access these games by going under the accessories. Virus and antivirus. As we all know, a computer virus can do a lot of harm to our computer system. It can corrupt our file and folders. It can corrupt the operating system and can also make some hardware components unavailable to the user that force user to format our computer system. A computer virus is a program designed to harm or cause harm on an infected computer. It spreads through email attachments, portable devices, websites containing malicious or harmful scripts, and file downloads. A computer virus attaches itself to the host file and always activate whenever you open the infected files. The virus can replicate itself and then infect the other files on your computer, causing more damage. Some types of a virus are file infector viruses, boot infector viruses, microviruses, polymorphic viruses, etc. Virus stands for Vital Information Under Siege. In order to prevent our computer from getting infected with a computer virus, we need to install antivirus software. Antivirus prevents our system from virus and also it can repair our files and folders if they are already infected. But in order to make an antivirus effectively work, we need to update it regularly. Some of the antivirus softwares available in the market are Quick Heal, Norton, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, K7, etc. Some antivirus software for home and educational purposes are also available on the internet for freely downloadable, such as Avast, Avira, Panda, etc. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.